So, what are the contents? Definition, early history, current status of AI, challenges for AI, future of AI, pros and cons, and conclusion.
What is AI? The study of computer systems that attempt to model and apply the intelligence of the human mind, a branch of computer science dealing with the simulation of intelligent behavior in computers, the capability of a machine to imitate intelligent human behavior.
Early history. In 1950, English mathematician Alan Turing wrote a landmark paper titled Computing Machinery and Intelligence that asked the question, can machine think? Further work came out of a 1956 workshop at Dartmouth sponsored by John McCarthy. In the proposal for that workshop, he coined the phrase, a study of artificial intelligence.
Current status of AI. All have taken many shapes and forms over recent years: mobile phones, video game characters, GPS, robotics. Google has been a major play on AI transcendence and deep learning. Deep learning is a machine learning based on an algorithm.
Challenges: computing power, tolerance power, intuitive thinking, judging power.
Future of AI beyond negotiation, more say CMU is beating several other AI areas are going to be hugely important in the near future. Self-driving cars, improved medical care and treatment, open up doors to future explosions, etc.
So, what are the pros and cons? Pros: precision and accuracy, space exploration, used for mining process, can do laborious tasks, fraud detection, manage records, lacking the emotional side, can do repetitive and time consuming tasks, robotic pets, robotic radiosurgery, function without stopping, risk reducing, diagnosis and treatment. Cons: cost incurred in the maintenance and repair, not able to act any different, lack the human touch, lack a creative mind, lack common sense, unemployment, abilities of humans may diminish, robots superseding humans, humans may become dependent on machines, wrong hands causes destruction.
Applications of AI: medical, educational, finance field, smart home, manufacturing, e-commerce, gaming.
Intelligent systems in your everyday life. Post office, automatic address recognition and sorting of mail. Banks, automatic check readers, signature verification systems, automated loan application classification. Customer service, automatic voice recognition. The web, identifying your age, gender, location from your web surfing. Automated fraud detection. Digital cameras, automated face detection and focusing, computer games, intelligent characters or agents.
Conclusion. Finally, we can say that the artificial intelligence is the intelligence of machines and the branch of computer science that aims to create it. All textbooks defines the field as the study and the designing of intelligent agent, where an intelligent agent is a system that perceives its environment and takes action and maximizes the chances of its success. John McCarthy, who coined the term in 1955, defines it as the science or engineering of making intelligent machines.